If you think pineapple on pizza is weird, wait until you see what's on menus around the world. Ready to taste the unexpected? Let's go. From crunchy tarantulas in Cambodia to Iceland's famous fermented shark, the world's weirdest foods are more than just a challenge, they're a yummy window into local culture. Have you ever tried balut in the Philippines? It's a fertilized duck egg, and yes, it's a favorite street food. Or maybe you've heard of Japan's dancing bonito flakes, fish shavings that move on top of hot takoyaki. In Sardinia, Italy, the bravest people eat casu marzu, a cheese so alive it practically moves. And for dessert, head to Finland for salmiakki, a salty licorice candy that's definitely an acquired taste. These dishes might seem weird, but each one tells a story of tradition, survival, and daring cooking. So next time your travels take you somewhere new, step outside your comfort zone and try what the locals love, even if it has tentacles or more legs than you'd expect. Who knows? Your new favorite dish might be the strangest thing you've ever tasted.